What's up, everyone? If you want to keep your bike looking showroom ready in this Miami heat, you're in the right place. At vtwinskins.com, we specialize in high-end protection that doesn't sacrifice style. We're your hub for the ultimate V-twin or car aesthetic. Let's dive in, head to the top menu, hit Premium Color PPF, and welcome to the candy shop. This is where the magic happens. You can browse all colors at once, or use the Collections tab on the left to filter by style, from deep metallics to stealth mattes. But here's why you're really here. Back on the homepage, fill out this form to grab our 2026 Miami Armor Guide plus a $250 installation credit. Just drop your info and boom, instant access. Let's look at what you're getting inside this year's guide. Page 1 breaks down the tech. This isn't just stickers. It's self-healing armor designed for the road. Page 2, the 2026 Miami Trending Palette. These are the shades that are going to own the streets this season. Page 3 is the reality check, cost versus value. Protect your investment. Page 4 gives you the roadmap to get started. Stop settling for basic. Grab your guide and that $250 credit at vtwinskins.com. Let's get to work.